Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some fantastic buttermilk waffles, and they're super easy to do. So in a mixing bowl, as you can see, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Alright, and then you want to add approximately 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then you just want to give everything a light stir around. Alright, let's move on to the rest of the ingredients. Alright, let's start off with the wet ingredients. You want to start off with 2 cups of buttermilk. Follow that up with 2 eggs. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add a half a cup of melted butter. Finally, grab a whisk and mix everything together. And then add the wet to the dry. Then put on the paddle attachment to your mixer and spin until everything is mixed together. The batter will be fairly loose, so don't be surprised if that happens. And then you want to preheat a waffle iron, spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and then you want to put some batter on there. Basically go with the manufacturer's instructions on the waffle thing, pull it down, and give it a few minutes. And then after roughly 4 minutes, our waffle is done. So grab yourself some tongs, and or you could be an idiot like me and try to pick it up with your bare hands. Grab some tongs and remove the waffle. Okay, and slather it with some maple syrup, and that's that. So that's buttermilk waffles. Done.